Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to reset your progress in CarX Street. So first of all, open your CarX Street game on your device, and once you're inside the home page or the lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. Now you'll come across this section where you need to click on Sync at the top right, and then under the Sync button, you'll see Progress Reset button at the bottom left. Click on that. Resetting your CarX ID progress will delete the following data from your account, that is level, currency, club progress, cars, your entire inventory and street pass. The data cannot be restored, so make sure you really want to do this. If you don't want to do this, you can back off right now. But if you want to go ahead and enter the code that has been shown over here on this tab over here. After you type down the code, click on confirm and you'll be able to reset your progress. So that's it. That's how you easily reset your progress in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.